Hi everyone, my name is Kente Kusakyan. I'm here to present types of digital signals. So first, let's go to the types of digital signals. So first is binary signal. Wait, binary signals, the simplest possible signals of any kind, can be employed to transmit messages. The binary signal consists of only two possible values. These values are represented by the binary digits or bits 1 and 0. So for the second type of digital signal is logic signal, a waveform that switches re- representing the two states of Boolean value 0 and 1, or low and high, or false and true. It's referred to as digital signal or logic signal. Next is the difference of digital signal over analog signal. The analog signal were used in many systems to produce signals to carry information. These signals are continuous in both values and time. So where digital signals are not continuous, but signals are discrete in value and time. These signals are represented by binary numbers and consist of different voltage values. Analog signal is represented by sine waves. A simple type of analog signal is nothing but a sine wave that can't be decomposed. You can see here it can be seen here by the graph. So digital signals is represented by square waves. Digital, digital, gi- digital signals are commonly referred to as square waves or plot signals that can be seen here in the graph of a square wave. Now, for the next one, let's go for the advantages and disadvantages of a digital signal. So, advantages of a digital signal as higher security, negligible or zero distortion due to noise during transmission. The rate of transmission is higher. It's multi-directional transmission concurrently and longer distance transmission is possible. Video, audio, and text messages can be translated to the device language. But digital signals also have disadvantages. Digital signals use high bandwidth. They require the communication system to be synchronized. Bits of errors are possible. Processing is complex. So these advantages gives us a proper way to recognize that digital signals can be used properly in a gadget or in a sensor or anything that can be used right now. This, but the disadvantage shows that it's has complexity to be properly properly used, and that's are the advantages and disadvantages of a digital signal. Next one is for the real-world application of a digital signal. It, it has an application for audio recording and reproduction, temperature sensors, image sensors, radio signals, telephone, and control system. So let me explain three of them. So three that I want to explain. Oops. So the three that I want to explain. In first is image sensor. An image sensor or imager is a sensor that detects and conveys information used to make an image. So for the next one is telephones. A telephone converts sound typically and most efficiently the human voice into electronic signals that are transmitted via cables and other communication. communication channels to another telephone, which reproduce the sound to the receiving user. For the next one is control system. Control system manages commands, detects, and regulates the behavior of other devices or system using control loops. So we can see here that digital, digital signals are commonly used in our everyday devices. From, from now on, our smartphones, laptops can be seen here and can be seen here as a way of applying digital signals. So, and in a way, signals help us create more uh, advanced technology that can be used properly or help us make our lives easy. So that's it for my report. Thank you for listening and good evening.